Hello everyone, today we're introducing the Magento 2 Smart Device Promotions module, which allows admins to create device-specific discounts, coupons, banners, and geo-targeted offers while tracking performance through detailed reports. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is the admin panel. Go to Stores, then open Configuration. Under the Webkul logo, you will find Smart Device-Based Promotion Settings. Click on it to open the General Settings section. From here, you can enable or disable the module by selecting Yes or No. Next, you will see the Enable Location-Specific Promotion option. If set to Yes, the promotion banner will be displayed based on the configured countries. Finally, click Save Config to save the configuration. Now navigate to Smart Device-Based Promotion. Here you will find three options: Promotion Dashboard, Manage Promotions, and Configuration Settings. Go to Manage Promotions, where the admin can view ongoing promotions and create new promotion rules. To create a new promotion rule, click the Add New Promotion button and enter the promotion name. Then select the device type as desktop or mobile. Next, add a description where you can create a promotional banner using the inbuilt page builder. After that, choose the geolocation type, allowing the admin to display the promotion for all locations or for specific countries only. Then select the required store view. Multiple store views can be chosen based on your requirements. Finally, set the start date for when the promotion should begin and end date for when the promotion will end. Then choose the status. Once all the above fields are filled and configured as required, click Save Plan. Now move to the promotion dashboard, where the admin can view statistics related to promotions and the sales generated through them. The dashboard displays sales via mobile, desktop, and unknown sources. Additionally, filters are available to refine the data by month and device type. Select the required month to view the statistics, then choose the device type as mobile, desktop, or all. This extension also allows the admin to enable cart price rules based on device type and offer discounts or coupons to customers. To configure this, navigate to Marketing, then go to Cart Price Rules. Here, the admin can view all existing cart price rules and, by clicking the appropriate button, create a new rule. Enter the rule name, description, active status, website, and customer groups. The admin can set cart price rules to provide discounts to customers based on their device type. To do this, the admin needs to go to the Conditions section and add a condition. Here, select Device Type and choose either mobile or desktop. After configuring the condition, the admin can save the rule. Now let's move to the front end to see how this rule works. In this example, a rule has been created where the condition is device type is desktop and the action applies a fixed amount discount of $10. Let's verify this on the front end. Here, when we refresh the page, the promotion banner appears. From here, we can either close it or select Don't Show It Again. For now, I will close it. Next, let's add a product to the cart. As you can see, the product price is $39. Now proceed to checkout and click Next. As shown, the discount of $10 is automatically applied to the cart and the final payable amount becomes $34. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.